Well, a fresh piece of news now coming in the latest development. Delhi Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa has said that we will strictly impose Supreme Court's guidelines on loudspeakers in Delhi. Nobody will be allowed to violate rules. So that, of course, is a rule that will now be imposed in the national capital. A message coming out from Minister in the Delhi government cabinet, Mr. Manjinder Singh Sirsa. Let's listen into what he said.
देखिए, लाउड स्पीकर के भी एक पैरामीटर्स जो हैं कानून के, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जो गाइडलाइंस है उसको स्ट्रिक्टली इन्फोर्स करेंगे. किसी को भी इन चीजों की वायलेशन करने का अधिकार नहीं होगा.
Well, let me go across to my colleague Isha now for more on this. Isha, tell us about when these rules will be implemented and what do they actually entail?
Right. So this was Manjinder Singh Sirsa. He is now a minister in the Delhi government, stating that the rules that have come forth for the loudspeakers will be strictly imposed in the national capital, irrespective of religion. And he has stated that we will strictly impose the Supreme Court guidelines on loudspeakers in Delhi, and no one will be allowed to violate the rules. So far, there has been no commentary that has come from any religious community as of now. But again, the question that comes to the fore is, and what the opposition also rakes up multiple times, that will the BJP also curb the Hindus when a loudspeaker is played? So while the Supreme Court ruling suggests it is same for all, and Manjinder Singh Sirsa, the Delhi minister, has also stated the same, but the opposition has started to call him out. In fact, the Delhi opposition parties, the Delhi Congress and the Delhi Aam Aadmi Party, they've both been stating that the BJP always acts with a communal mindset. And definitely, Manjinder Singh Sirsa has come forward and stated that this will be same for all.
No loudspeakers in public spaces. At least one of those guidelines is that no loudspeakers will operate in public spaces between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. That's one of the several guidelines laid down by the Supreme Court. For the time being, we'll slip into a short break. We'll come back with a lot more on the other side. Stay tuned.